let's start with the first rubric. First rubric in the repertory is, Dr. Kent repertory, first rubric is abandonment. But this rubric is without any medicine. The first rubric with medicine is abrupt. So what is the meaning of the word? I am saying something, that every rubric is a phenomena. Every rubric is a phenomena. You try to understand the phenomena, not the word meaning. ये किसी इंसान के अंदर हो रही है घटना है, उस इंसान के अंदर कुछ हो रहा है, उस होने को समझना है, तभी हम उस चीज की गहराई को समझ पाएंगे. अगर आप वर्ड मीनिंग में खो जाएंगे तब तो वो डिक्शनरी मीनिंग है, वो दैट इज ऑफ नो यूज. आई डोंट थिंक दैट देयर इज एनी यूज. यू आर गुड इन इंग्लिश, यू डोंट नीड टू know anything, or if you are weak in history you can use dictionary. So this is not the thing. We are here to understand the phenomena behind these rubrics. Okay, so first rubric of today is abrupt, which means unexpectedly sudden. Unexpectedly sudden mood. Some on one moment he is very gentle, and another moment he is much abrupt and angry. On one moment she is very mild and gentle. On another moment she is crying, weeping. So that abruptness of the mood, of the action, of the emotions, that is called abruptness. So chief remedies, there are a lot of remedies in the rubric, but we are going to discuss few remedies. Few remedies I have deleted because they should be prescribed from somewhere else. So few remedies for which the symptom is characteristic are put here. So Nux vomica is abrupt, CPI is abrupt, Kali iode very abrupt, Tarantula, you know, the king of abrupt remedies, queen of abrupt remedies. Pulsatilla again, causticum. They are too mild, too gentle when sitting outside of the your chamber, but if their turn is not coming, they are waiting for a long, and people are coming in your chamber and they are sitting outside, they are very mild and try to understand what I am going to explain to you. They are very mild and gentle type of person, but suppose your patient is sitting outside your chamber. You are seeing the patient. Somehow it happened that people are coming in the chamber and he is waiting for his turn. His turn is not coming, and suddenly he will stand up and come into the chamber, and why you are not following the turn? I am waiting from so long time. So that you will react like, what happened? That is a nice person, that is a genuine person, but when he feels that injustice is being imparted towards him, when causticum feels that injustice is being imparted towards him, he will react abruptly. He may react abruptly. If he feels that things are going wrong, injustice is being imparted for him, he is going to react. He may react abruptly. Okay, there are two modalities in the abrupt rubric. Abrupt but affectionate, like Pulsatilla. क्या बताएं डॉक्टर साहब, हम तो बड़ा दुखी रहते हैं, हमारी बेटा जब से गुजर गया 20 साल हो गए डॉक्टर साहब, क्या बताएं हम. तब तक आपने कुछ अच्छी बातें कर दी उनसे कि कोई बात नहीं, परेशान मत होइए, चलो घूमने. अच्छा घूमने चलना है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. So that kind of mood changeability, the abrupt changes in the mood. They are affectionate, sweet, mild type of person, but there are certain emotional abruptness you can see. The abrupt changeability in the emotions you can see in the emotions of the Pulsatilla. Okay.
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss.
I'm being heard now.
Ji.
Okay. So another thing is abrupt but harsh. Nux vomica is good to you when he is good. He is good. He is nice. He is nice. He is gentle. until unless don't hurt my ego. Huh? Until unless he didn't feel that you are putting challenge to him. You are putting some you are going to humiliate him. If he feels once that you are being arrogant to Naksvamika. So being arrogant to Naksvamika is really very difficult because he himself is very much arrogant. So once a little while he was very a little before he was very mild, gentle, but once he feels that you are insulting him, he can be brutal to you. He can be abrupt to you. No? Causticum, Naksvamika. Causticum I explained, Kali Ayod. But the queen of abruptness is Tarantula. Huh? Even abrupt onset of pathology. A time before she was okay, there was nothing pathological in her. And suddenly she developed cramping pain, violent neuralgias, violent destructive pathologies. That abrupt onset of pathologies without any strong precipitating factor. There was a girl came to me for the violent convulsions, violent hysterical convulsions. So what happened to her? That was a 6, 7, 8-year girl. Old case, I do not remember properly, but that was the case. She demanded some red colored dress from her father. और पापा मुझे वो लाल वाली ड्रेस चाहिए. पापा बोले लास्ट मंथ ही तो I bought you the dress. पिछले महीने भी अभी एक तो ड्रेस डलाई थी. अभी कैसे? It is not possible every time to fulfill all the desires of the kids. तो उन्होंने मना कर दिया. नहीं बेटा अभी नहीं ले सकते, अभी अगले महीने ले. तो she went to home and before entering to the home, she developed violent convulsions and that hysterical convulsions. She came to me and I put some medicine in her mouth, over her tongue. She became calm, cool. वो घर गए, घर जाके उनका फिर से फोन आया, डॉक्टर साहब कहीं आप चले तो नहीं गए, रहिएगा, मेरी बच्ची को फिर से कन्वर्जन आ गया. देन अगेन केम. तो मदर ने बोला कि अगर मदर बड़ी बहन को प्यार से खाना खिला रही हो, उसने देख लिया. Tarantula में मेन रीजन है पैथोलॉजी डेवलप होने का, and that is Dr. S.R. Phatak quoted that ill effect of unrequited love. In Tarantula, what we see? Ill effect of unrequited love. When she feels that she is not getting that love, and you remember, that is not that she is wishing to get that love and attention from each and every person. No, in Tarantula, she loves somebody, and if she loves somebody, she wants that her need of love should be fulfilled by that person. अभी दादी ने बोला कि बेटी तुम पढ़ाई नहीं करती हो, मैं तुम्हें अपने पास नहीं रखूंगा, और ये दिस इज नॉट. हेलो
हाँ सर.
जी बॉस.
हाँ, मुझे लग रहा है कुछ कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
नहीं
नहीं सर, ठीक है सर.
ठीक है बॉस.
तो दैट गर्ल, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी मुझे बताना है, कीप मी इन्फॉर्मिंग.
ओके बॉस.
ओके.
Because my laptop WhatsApp is not working, I think. Okay, you understand Saurabh now?
जी मैं बताता हूँ.
Okay. So दादी ने बोला कि बेटा तुम पढ़ाई नहीं करती हो, मैं आज तुमको अपने साथ नहीं लिटाऊंगी, मैं भाई को अपने साथ लिटाऊंगी. और उसने दादी ने एक रात को भाई को अपने साथ लिटा लिया. And she feels so intense, that intensity, that passion, that thing characterizes the Tarantula. बाहर से कितनी भी दिखती, कैसी भी दिखती, but that intensity of emotion, that passion, that demand of love, that demand of attention is so intense, so severe into the Tarantula. If it is not being fulfilled, she is going to develop destructive pathologies, hysterical pathologies. The need for emotional fulfillment is so high in the tarantula. So, and usually they develop abrupt pathology, abrupt onset of pathologies. Their reactions are abrupt. Their body language is abrupt. Their movements are abrupt. Their dancing is abrupt and wide. Can I show you the rubric? Should I show you the rubric? Dancing wide. Can you see that? Tarantula is here. Can you see that?
Sure.
जी
So that kind of dancing wildness in the dance, wildness in the movement, wildness in his behavior, and that threatening behavior, even threatening pathologies. Pathologies are also threatening. His behavior is also threatening. And if she didn't get that attention and love, her behavior to you is threatening. Even her need of love, if you can understand, need of love is threatening to you. Though that is so intense, that emotions are so intense for a normal person कि उसको डर लगता है कि कहीं वो उनकी इमोशनल नीड को फुलफिल कर पाएगा कि नहीं कर पाएगा. तो हर everything is threatens you. If tarantula loves you, most of people will like to go away, escape. Threatening, no? Threatening. Tarantula remark. So everything in her life is that threatening. Her love, her pathology, onset of pathology is threatening. One child came to me, many child came to me with such a pathologies. ये पता नहीं क्यों ऐसी कॉमन सी पैथोलॉजी है जिसके a lot of patient I have seen कि nothing happened. Suddenly क्या हुआ, बच्चे को अचानक से nausea, vomiting, pain in colic, severe pain, intense pain in the abdomen, that started without any obvious cause. They go for the sonography, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, pain, abdomen, and she is shrieking with the pain. And they went for the sonography and other findings, and nothing came out in the findings. She got admitted for 2 or 3 days. Everybody look after her, and she become okay. And that happens 2 or 3 or 4 times in a year. So why that is happening? When she is feeling ignorant, when she is feeling ignorant, when she is feeling that she is not getting that kind of attention, she develops such kind of pathologies. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So such patients came. और वो अचानक से होगा और वो पता चला पीजीआई दिखा लिया, एम्स दिखा लिया, सब जगह दिखा लिया, कुछ निकलता नहीं है, कुछ होता नहीं है पैथोलॉजी में, लेकिन हाँ अचानक से अब्रप्टली सडनली कुछ पैथोलॉजीज डेवलप होंगी. एंड एट दैट टाइम she need to get admitted. And एक रुब्रिक दिखाना मैं आपको भूल गया ना, convulsion hysterical. You want to see that, or you can see by yourself? Let me show you.
आपके पर देखेंगे.
Okay. Can you see tarantula present here?
जी
की बात है? One mark.
So tarantula is wide and abrupt in its manifestations. Abruptness of tarantula is also manifested in sudden set of pathologies, abrupt, violent, and hysterical pathologies, especially after not being loved or not getting that kind of attention. There's the case, a girl developed sudden and violent nausea, vomiting, diarrhea with colic twice or thrice in a year without any obvious pathological findings. Need to be admitted twice or thrice in a year for 2 or 3 days until she become normal, treated by Tarantula 10M, and she is now okay. Okay. Tarantula mind rubrics in repertory, we will see mind abrupt, harsh, answering abruptly, speech abrupt, raise, chained head to be. They are very sensitive, na? Someday I will discuss Tarantula in this session. Within these 3 months, I will try to finish that ramp. Yeah. जैसे कि अभी इसको start किया है तो इसको accomplish भी करना. I will try in the next when the next Sunday, on the next coming Sunday, I will try to discuss this remedy in details. Na? Okay. The other aspect of the Tarantula also. Na? Next rubric is abusive.